tell me if you can relate to the following. I do not understand my own actions, for I do not do what I want, but I do the very thing I hate. I can will what is right, but I cannot do it. For I do not do the good I want, but the evil I do not want is what I do. These words come from the Apostle Paul. Like the Apostle Paul, we all struggle to do the right thing. Fortunately, we believe in a forgiving God. This Sunday, we're looking at Psalm 51, attributed to King David after he committed adultery with Bathsheba and eventually even murder. In it, he writes, "Create in me a clean heart, O God, and put a new and right spirit within me. Restore to me the joy of your salvation, and sustain in me a willing spirit." Are you or someone you know looking for a clean heart and possibly a fresh start? Then I'd invite you to come to our 8:15 chapel service, our 9:30 traditional service, or 11 o'clock journey service.